Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear students. How are you? Today we are going to have a new lesson in Unit 5, Lesson 6. The title of our lesson will be wedding customs. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the wedding customs in different countries, besides the use of determiners in English. But before that, let's make a revision to the previous lesson. In lesson 5, we studied how do we plan for a party, and the title of our lesson was planning a party. And what do we use? We studied how do we plan a party and what do we use to plan a party, and also we studied the general form of get, have in future tense, and got, had in past simple tense, and we studied the rule with examples. So now let's check the model answers of the important exercises from the previous lesson. So follow with me and check your answers, please. Here we are going to check the new vocabularies that we are going to learn throughout the lesson, so please read them carefully. Wedding customs, which means عادات أو تقاليد الزفاف. This is the title of our lesson, and that's what we are going to learn throughout our lesson. About the wedding customs, as you know, each country has its own customs about weddings. يعني كل بلد عنده العادات والتقاليد الخاصة به فيما يخص حفل أو حفلات أو مناسبة الزواج أو الزفاف. So, look at the photo in front of you. What can you see? In this photo, there are people. There is a bride, groom, and the people around them, maybe their family and friends. So, have you ever been to a wedding before? What was it like? So, I want you to think about these questions and to try to answer them. Then I want you to move to exercise A in your activity book. Dear students, this exercise is very important, so please pay attention. Exercise A. Match the words in the book to their definitions. Here you have, in this exercise, you have words in the book, and you have to match those words with the sentences to make correct definitions. And you know the meaning of the word definition, which means تعاريف. يعني هنا عندكم مجموعة من الجمل، والمطلوب منكم توصلون بين هذه الجمل والكلمات اللي بأعلى التمرين على مود تكونون تعاريف وتكون بصيغة صحيحة. So you have also to check the meaning of those words in the books that we mentioned before in the new vocabulary. Okay, with the new vocabulary. So please check the new vocabulary to get the correct meaning. Read the article, then answer the questions in exercises B and C in the activity book. Here you have an article about the wedding customs in different countries, and how do people celebrate in this occasion. Okay, so all this information you will find it in after reading this article. يعني هذه المقالة راح تكون عن عادات وتقاليد الزواج أو الزفاف في منطقة الشرق الأوسط وشمال أفريقيا. وكل هذه المعلومات عن عادات وتقاليد الزفاف راح تلقيها بعد قراءة هذه المقالة. So read it carefully please to be able to answer the questions in exercise B, and please pay attention to the words in bold. يعني عندك كلمات باللون الغامق انتبهي لها وانتبهي لاستخدامها لأنه راح يتم شرحها خلال الدرس. So please read it carefully. This exercise is very important. You have to answer the questions using the information from the text that you have read before, which is the article about the wedding customs. Okay? يعني هذا التمرين مهم جدا وهو عبارة عن أسئلة عن المقال اللي تم قراءته عن تقاليد أو عادات وتقاليد الزفاف. So you have to answer the questions about the information from this text. Number one, in which country do people get married in group ceremonies? Which means أي بلد الناس يتزوجون in group ceremonies اللي هي مراسم أو احتفالات جماعية. Okay? In which country? Number two, what are the bride's hands and feet often decorated with? The bride's hands and feet اللي هي أقدام وأيدي العروس يتم تزيينها. decorated بمعنى تزيين. تتزين بماذا؟ Number three, in Morocco, where do the groom's friends take him before the wedding? The groom's friends اللي هي أصدقاء العريس يأخذونه إلى مكان ما قبل الزفاف. وين يأخذوه؟ Number four, what do men do in a traditional Bedouin ceremony? A traditional Bedouin ceremony اللي هي الاحتفال التقليدي البدوي. Okay? What do men do? ماذا يفعل الرجال بهذا الاحتفال? Finally, number five, what does a white dress symbolize in Iraq? What does a white dress symbolize in Iraq? يعني الثوب الأبيض يرمز إلى ماذا في العراق؟ Read the language books and try to answer the question. Does the determiner come before or after the noun? Here I'm going to explain what is determiners and how are we going to use determiners in a sentence. So what are determiners? Determiners are few, some, both, all, and either. So what do we mean by determiners? Determiners give you more information about the noun that they come before. So معنى determiners هو المحددات. Okay? And determiners give you more information يعني تعطي معلومات أكثر عن الاسم الذي تأتي قبله. إذا المحددات هذه determiners تأتي قبل الاسم وليس بعدهم. So what is the general form for the determiners؟ يعني استخدام أو الصيغة اللي نستخدم بها determiners in the sentence. We have some, few, both, all, plus a noun. Okay? يعني some, few, both, all, followed by a noun. While for either plus noun plus or plus second noun. So this is the general form for the use of determiners in a sentence. Here we have some examples about the use of determiners in a sentence. Number one, all students at my school study French, and that means the meaning of all in the sentence every student in the school studies French. يعني هنا اللي منطيكم إياه بين قوسين بعد الجملة هو معنى الديترمينر المستخدمة في الجملة، يعني معنى المحدد المستخدم. يعني هنا نحن مستخدمين determiner all وشوفون المعنى مالتها جاي بمعنى every يعني كل. Okay? So all followed by a noun which is plural noun. يعني all شوفون متبوعة بالnoun اللي هو students. Okay? Students which is plural. يعني جاينا بعدها الاسم students وجاي بصيغة الجمع. إذا all تجينا متبوعة باسم مثل ما ذكرنا بالقاعدة سابقا، ويكون الاسم جمع. معنى all شنو هنا؟ يشوفون بمعنى every، بمعنى كل. okay. Every student in the school studies French. Number 2. Few students at my school study French, which means بما يعني not many students study French، يعني ليس الكثير من التلاميذ يدرسون الفرنسية. لاحظوا few، استخدام few هنا بالجملة الثانية. كذلك متبوعة بnoun اللي هو اسم، وشوفون الاسم plural بسبب وجود اس الجمع ضمن الاسم students. okay. so few students، إذا few متبوعة باسم والاسم يكون جمع. number 3. some mobile phones in this shop are expensive. What do we mean by some here? You can buy an expensive or cheap mobile phone in this shop. so معنى some هنا بمعنى بعض. إذن in the shop there is expensive mobile phone and cheap mobile phone. number 4. both، which means كلا. okay. كلا. both mobile phones in the shop are expensive. What do you mean by both here? There are 2 mobile phones in the shop and they are expensive. لاحظوا هنا الطالبات both متبوعة mobile phones اللي هو اسم، كذلك هنا يشوفون الاسم اسم جمع. so it is followed by plural noun. وتلاحظون معنى both بمعنى كلا. okay. number 5. either Nada or Hind is my friend. either Nada or Hind is my friend. note that either is followed by a noun، يعني شوفون هنا either متبوعة باسم وراها جايتنا or بعدها another noun اسم آخر أو اسم ثاني and followed by is. هنا استخدمنا فعل الفعل is وهو للدلالة على المفرد. ليش؟ لأنه طالبات لاحظون الاسم الأول والاسم الثاني جاينا بحالة المفرد وليس الجمع. Exercise D. Complete these sentences with the correct word from the book. Dear students, in this exercise you have to choose the correct or the suitable determiner to the with the suitable sentence. okay. so you have sentences and you have to choose the suitable or the correct determiner according to the explanation in our lesson about the use of determiners. okay. so good luck. Dear students, your homework will be Unit 5, Lesson 7, plus exercise D. In exercise D, you have to write a paragraph about wedding customs in Iraq. So please write about what we explained in our lesson today. And thank you for your listening and good luck.